I need the antipsychotics like I am mentally ill. Cause I am on the psychopaths, I am programmed to kill these bitches, then I bury them in the hills. If you're looking for the body, it is nowhere to be found. Oh wait, Jahdatta came and took the rap crown? That's right, a new queen, bitches in
The Rabble Rabble show, I got chat to them, I made them chat for it. Rabble Rabble, you don't know say the one and only National Rabble Danger, and on this platform we do things different. Rabblings, when a person around us portraying a certain type of image or displaying a certain type of behavior, we have to question it, don't it? Agree or disagree, make me know. I'ma say that for say this. What's your view on mental illness? I want to know. Did you know that half of us on earth trouble with some type of mental illness? But here we are going rabblings. Me have something more want to say. Everybody have them own big man and big woman, don't it? If you're mad on your own, it not so bad. Because people for know for be firm. But when a person go out the way to mad the next person, ya know. Rabblings, what you think should happen to them? I want to know. Rabblings, right now this story that I'm about to break, it hurt me. It's about a girl we're all familiar with. Her name is Jahdatta. Enough of we see her and laugh. Me not lie, even me laugh because me find her entertaining. But Rabblings, she have a story. They say money and power do anything on this earth, right? And Rabblings is twisted. It is said is her then boyfriend caused her to be in this mental state. Rabble Rabble, straight Rabblings, spray this.
Hey guys, it's your girl Jahdatta. I would just like to let y'all know that I am facing a little bit of problems in this country. Right, on the 5th of January, I went to court on a charge that I called a one named Karen Duncan Gonsalve a dirty bitch. They said it was abusive language. When I went to court, I pleaded not guilty. They said that they were gonna send me to the mental health center for an assessment because, well, what else do you send people at the mental health center for anyways? And I think it's because these people are trying to fight me down because of Camilo, because I don't speak to Camilo anymore. The real reason why I don't speak to Camilo is because I dumped him and I didn't want to get in any type of altercation or have him around me anymore. The reason why I dumped him is because of all these things that he was causing in my life. He was causing me a lot of emotional distress. I don't know if a lot of people know that I used to have sexual relations with him. I used to sleep with him, and because I used to think that he's like a twin flame, then he confessed to me all these things. He wanted us to go on threesomes a lot. I didn't like that lifestyle. He was sleeping with this woman named Fidelia Richardson. Then he was sleeping with this woman named Sidella Baptiste while she was pregnant, strengthening another man's baby. Sleeping with a pregnant woman named Tia, strengthening her baby. He was doing all these things, causing a lot of stress in my life. Now that I don't want to have anything to do with him, they're trying to fight me down in this country. I think I really need to get out. He is just mad because I illuminated myself and I stopped telling him like how to get it done. It's because of these nasty things that he wanted to engage in, and these things will not, all these things that I am talking about here, him sleeping with these pregnant women and all kind of things, were kind of building up in my mind. I didn't want to have to go through that. Plus he has a daughter. She got sexually spanked while she was in Jamaica some years ago, and I cursed him out for that because I am a victim of sexual abuse. I don't like those kind of things. So I was really mad, and I dumped his ass for that. Now they're trying to send me crazy, talking about I should go. He was doing all these nasty things, causing a lot of stress in my life. The only reason why I was actually staying with him or anything is because I thought he was like my twin flame, which is something that I really believed in during the time that we were having like our affair or our relationship. Then he started talking all this nasty nonsense in my head, talking about that he come over by my apartment to rape me and all that kind of dumb shit. So all those things were like building up in my mind against him. A lot of things, especially with the sleeping around with the pregnant woman. That is not my style. I don't want any man who like strengthening another man baby. That's not my, that's not my character. So now that I dump him and like we're not friends anymore, they're trying to use their name against me to try to bring me down in this country.
Ms. Farrell, what do you know about your daughter and Camilo Gonzalez? Do you know them to have been friends or anything like that?
Well, I heard they was friends, because she used to be down bottom town with some girls, and then afterwards she came home. So one day I did and I heard like she's speaking, and when I get to understand, I say, you speaking to say Camilo? I say, oh, well, I didn't really go further, I just keep me cool. But normally, she normally leave home and go away in the night time, evening, or night, and then she's come home back in the morning. And then there she have it discussing, I could see, well, I notice now she come home because she talking to Camilo, she do home and them kind of thing. So some respect, maybe she respect him, so that's why she came back home.
I don't understand what you mean. You say because she was talking to Camilo, she came back. I don't understand.
Okay, she was in Don Rose place, okay? And by Daniel's place now, maybe she meet up with friend, and then I notice she home, coming and going. Understand? And you get to understand, normally they go nightclub and all this. So, well, during the time I miss her for a couple of years, 3 years and some months, I ain't seen my kid at all. I ain't seen she in St Vincent, she away.
So did you know where she was during that 3 years?
No, I didn't know.
Did you try to find out?
No, I didn't find out. After I got to understand she with Camilo, I didn't go no further.
So did she ever tell you that she was with Camilo?
No, she ain't really told me that, but for my experience, where I heard she saying, then one time I say, if you're talking to Camilo, I say, bring him home now. She never bring him.
So did you know at the time that Camilo was married?
No, I didn't know. It's after this incident I hear he married. I never knew he was married before.
You mean after she was arrested?
Yeah.
He was married?
Yeah.
So you never knew he was married?
No, I never. I know his face. I saw him many times, but I never know he married. Mm-hmm. I never even have a girlfriend until you explained to me and told me like she did live with them. Yeah, she did live with them because she even say Camilo have a daughter, and well, like she to teach the daughter. So,
that's what Yugge told you?
Yeah.
So have you ever met Camilo? Have you ever had a conversation with him?
No, I never.
I'm a big no.
I never.
Make it come to an end.
So in the 3 years that
Jamaica land we love.
3 years,
Have a good
when
night.
did this period begin and when did it end?
Well, it have begun on at least 2013. Because 14, 15, and 16, she wasn't around me. She didn't sleep in around me. She was with Camilo. And then I get to understand they was living together in a house. Where maybe he rent some house. So I think she father told me is some Noel Jackson area, maybe they rent. And he did take out a bed for her. And she did not bring home the bed also locked up in the house also.
That's what Yugge's father told you?
Yeah.
Where did he get this information from?
Well, normally it's from a witness lady named Clem.
I went to Lomans Bay and people there told me that Yugge's father has said publicly that Camilo is his son-in-law. Have you ever heard your husband, your boyfriend say that?
Well, yeah, his son-in-law. Because she did with him, son-in-law.
So you were convinced that Yugge was in a relationship with Camilo?
Yeah, and I did accept it. Yeah, because, I know the father for a very, very long time. And he know me for a very, very long time. We know real long. Since I didn't have a kid when I know the father.
That's Prime Minister Gonzalez?
Yes. normally, if I used to get any little thing with the law, he used to stand up for me, you know, so I just stay, you know, I just ask keep me close and them kind of thing, but this thing with you know, it really touched me heart. I mean, it might look tough.
Rabble Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabblings.